Greetings and profound love and devotion, my fans. Remember, I was cleaning up these areas during the live. Yeah, it's good not to be lazy. When you're not lazy, it's good. Special big ups to all of the fans them across the world. Jamaica, Asia, USA, Canada, Europe, Africa, the Caribbean, Central and South America. Right now I'm making soup. My homemade soup with all my natural grown food like my yam, pumpkin, chocho, chayote they call it in Asia. You know them where they like all my skelly and my thyme, my scotch bonnet pepper, my pimento, my garlic, all natural seeds, my green onion, otherwise called scallion. So I have a carrot plant. I don't know if any carrot is on it. So I want you all to take a guess. Listen me carefully before I pull it from the side. To be honest, I want you to guess to let me know if you believe there's carrot on the root of it, right? We'll guess, See, like how you are watching it, said whether yes or no. Because maybe it might or it might not have any carrot, but I'm gonna pull it and put it in. If there's carrot on it, I will put it into my pot of soup. So welcome to Jamaica, welcome to my channel. If you are here for the very first time, great to have you. Great all these years. Me have all these years, me alone have to clean up the grasses. See, that's like what I was doing that section. Take out a lot of all these bushes. See there. I'm doing very well. Yeah, one person still, So, cool jack. Yeah, that's heal up the fans. Remember, I know, take a guess. So this is the moment of truth now, my fans. See the carrot here, but we don't know. All I have to do is try and see if I can pull. Or will I try get it now? Oh, I might have to get something to I wonder if it have carrot. This is organic stuff. Let me try. Come like something is there. Come like I feel something, man. Get a knife. I gotta get a knife. Right, yeah, man. We can try get out this carrot. I saw carrot. Come and get rid of a knife now. To put into my soup pot, It's good that you can plant and not lazy, Like always like to try. Let me see if I can get it. I do not want to hurt my tomato. It's exactly beside the tomato plant. Even if it's a small one, I still give thanks. See, here my fans, a very nice one. Congratulations. See, so this will go into my soup pot. Did you guess it right? Who did get it right? So, for the pot of soup, very nice organic. Some people use like the leaves of it also. Beautiful day. Soup. Early days. don't just yam already in there and garlic in the early days of cooking. Thanks everyone for watching. Congratulations to all those people who have got it right. In a special big up my subscribers, them tomato them looking good. All of the tomatoes them have on lots of young tomatoes, you know. Yes, blessing and more blessing. Kojak said that from Kojak Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. Remember to like, share, comment, and leave a comment. And if you are new, please subscribe. Bless up and more blessing.